If you're looking for the best bicycle locking pedals, you are in the perfect spot. Whether you're a seasoned cyclist or just starting out, having the right pedals can make a huge difference in your ride. In this video, we'll discuss the top features, benefits, and reasons why investing in the best locking pedals is essential. From ensuring your feet stay secure during high-speed rides to enhancing pedaling efficiency, we've got you covered. We've spent hours researching hundreds of products so you don't have to. We've narrowed it down to the best 5 bicycle locking pedals available today. Stick around to discover the right option for you, and don't forget to check the links in the description below to find these products and more. Let's dive in. Number 5. RACEWORK Road Bike Pedal Nylon Bicycle Locking Pedals. The RACEWORK Road Bike Pedal is a fantastic choice for road cyclists seeking reliability and performance. Made from durable nylon, this self-locking pedal offers a lightweight yet robust design. Its 100 square foot pedal tread made 68-inch laser points to be a drilled partner for your feet, while the SPD-SL system ensures secure locking, boosting pedaling efficiency during long rides. Perfect for cruisers and road bicycles, this pedal features a smooth bearing mechanism that enhances your cycling experience. However, it may not be ideal for rugged terrains or heavy-duty mountain biking due to its nylon construction. If you're looking for a solid road cycling companion that combines affordability and functionality, the RACEWORK pedal is a great choice. Number 4. BUCKLOS MTB Pedals for Bicycle. The BUCKLOS MTB pedals are a versatile option for cyclists who need a dual-function pedal. These pedals combine a flat platform and clip-in functionality, making them suitable for both casual and performance rides. Built with aluminum alloy, they are highly durable and resistant to wear. Designed for mountain biking, the pedals deliver excellent grip and stability on rough terrains, while the SPD compatibility allows for efficient power transfer. On the downside, the slightly heavier weight compared to some high-end pedals might be noticeable during long rides. Nevertheless, the BUCKLOS MTB pedals are a great choice for cyclists who value flexibility and durability. Number 3. Bicycle Lock Pedal 2-in-1. The West Biking Bicycle Lock Pedal is a top pick for those seeking versatility. Its 2-in-1 design allows for use with SPD clip-in shoes or as a flat pedal, catering to various cycling styles. Crafted from aluminum alloy, these pedals are lightweight and durable, with an anti-slip surface for added security. The sealed bearing ensures smooth rotation, making it suitable for BMX, mountain biking, and road cycling. The pedals might feel slightly bulky for riders focused on lightweight gear. However, with its multifunctionality and sturdy build, the West Biking pedal is an excellent choice for all-around cyclists. Number 2. XPRO Road Bicycle Lock Pedal. The XPRO Road Pedal stands out for its lightweight carbon fiber construction, which ensures both durability and reduced weight. Ideal for competitive road cyclists, it provides excellent power transfer with its self-locking mechanism. The sleek design and high-quality materials make it a premium option for those seeking top-notch performance on the road. The main downside is the higher price point, which may not suit budget-conscious riders. However, for those willing to invest in exceptional quality and performance, the XPRO is worth every penny. Number 1. ROCKBROS SPD Cycling Road Bike Pedal. The ROCKBROS SPD-SL cycling pedal earns the top spot for its ultralight aluminum alloy construction and dual-sealed bearing design. This pedal offers excellent power transfer and smooth pedaling, making it a favorite among road cyclists. The included locking plates add value, while the 190 tom size ensures a stable platform for your feet. Its lightweight design makes it perfect for long-distance rides and competitive cycling. Potential drawback is that it's designed specifically for road bikes, limiting its versatility for other cycling types. Nevertheless, the ROCKBROS SPD-SL cycling pedal is the ultimate choice for road cyclists seeking lightweight, durable, and high-performing pedals.